Hello everyone, welcome to VictoryTechnology Trading Company. Today I'm going to take you around our demonstration and the payment zone. Inside here, we have different brands. We have mini excavators. As you can see, this side are the mini excavators. We have STZG, we have Unchai, we have Sunny, many more. This one is Tashi. We have some Lion, we have Volvo, and deep inside we still have more. Come with me, let me show you. This brand here, Chinese name is called XCMG. Very popular in Africa. Yeah, it's very popular in Africa, also in the Middle East. This one here is already booked by customer, ready to be shipped home. Coming inside here we have customer food, everything, the details that the customer gave us. This one here is like a 25 ton, almost the same as the other one outside there, but the different here, this one is going to be fabricated. It's going to be repaired weeks according to the customer. Every details, every request is going to be fulfilled according to our customers. So our priority is our beloved clients especially. So you're welcome to pre-order, give us your requirements, and fabricate the machines according to your needs. And our machines, like our repairments here, are very good. Once they're done with the repairment, the machine is not going to consume any oil. So it's going to be so useful. So, you guys are welcome to come and visit our repairments and demonstration zone, and you're also free to give us your requirements. We will provide accordingly. VictoryTechnology Trading, where innovations meet perfection. So welcome to do business with us. Welcome to visit our payment zone. Welcome to visit us. We are highly welcoming each and every customer.